Hey, you. We're having a big, beautiful Welsh party in the heart of Cardiff. Come and join us.
Tafwyl, a free festival with live music, food, drink and a great atmosphere. Come and join us. You don't have to speak Welsh to celebrate it. Tafwyl, July the 12th, Cardiff Castle.